What is up, guys? What is up? I'll bring you guys another video about the Roku TV. So in this video we're going to be talking about the issues with AirPlay. I know some of you have these, haven't found the answer yet, but today I will give you guys the answer to that. So as you guys can see on my iPad, it doesn't give you the full resolution, like the full screen, and it has these black bars. Well, look at my TV when I AirPlay it. It doesn't give me the full screen either. It gives me the two black bars and plus the extra black space over here that it has. I don't know about y'all, but that bothers me a whole lot, and I know some of y'all it bothers y'all too. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix it. So I know some of y'all like y'all go to y'all's home screen and automatically turn on the AirPlay from your control center. Well, when you're gonna watch a movie, TV show, or a video, or whatever the case may be, do not do this. Do not turn on the AirPlay from the control center. Some of you might be confused what I'm talking about, but do not turn it on from the control center. So if you're gonna watch a TV show or whatever it may be, do not turn it on from the control center. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna, let me turn mine off real quick. Yeah, so let me turn mine off real quick. And then what you're gonna do is, it's already turned off. So what you're gonna do to your device is you're gonna go to the whatever you're gonna turn on, Netflix, whatever it may be that you're going to AirPlay. So what you're gonna do is, I use this website to watch anime and all that stuff, but for me it has the little AirPlay signal or icon. I'm gonna click on it and it'll pop up like this, and this is my TV. So as you can see, it's connected, it's AirPlaying. So if I play the show, give it a second, it'll do the whole screen, as you guys can see right there. So if you guys ever come across a problem where it doesn't give you the ability to watch the full screen, that is how you do it. Do it straight from the app, whatever app you're using, website, whatever it is that you're watching. Make sure to do it straight from the source, either from the app, website, whatever you're watching, wherever you're watching. Make sure you do it straight from the app, and then click the AirPlay button and connect it to your device, whatever it's TV, whatever it may be, so you guys can have the full resolution, the full screen effect, and all that stuff. So yeah, that is how you fix that issue. I don't know about you guys, but I've never encountered that issue before. It's just weird. Maybe like on some other devices I might have, but I was never having that issue with my iPad or my phone, because I do have the same issue with my phone. So if you guys are having the same issue and it bothers you guys to watch something and it does that, make sure you guys go straight to the app, go ahead and click on the show that you want to show on there, and go to the app, click on the show, episode, movie, whatever you're gonna watch, let it play for a second, pause it, and then hit the AirPlay button that shows on there on the video player of the app, and then click on the device you want to connect it to, whether your TV, whether it's someone else's TV, or whatever it may be. Just make sure you do that and you will get the full screen effect on there. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one, and make sure to go to my social media, go follow me on there to keep up with the videos and all that stuff, and future projects that I might have in the future and all that stuff. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, or if you liked it or not like this video, what didn't you like about it, or any other stuff. Please comment down below so that way I know what I'm doing wrong or what I'm not doing wrong. So yeah, other than that, guys, thank you so much for your support and all the stuff that you have been giving me. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.